This question is non-overlapping interval. So you're given a array interval, and then interval I represents starting and ending. You have to return the minimum number of interval you need to remove. So the problem is how many you need to remove, right? And then it has to be minimum. So there are three cases. One, the first case is going to be like they are not overlapping. Another one is going to be they are overlapping, right? And then the last one would be what? Would be pretty much like this. So it's definitely going to overlap, right? So there are three cases. So how do you do this? I'm going to just make it bigger. So imagine this one. 1, 2, right? 1, 2, and then 2, 3, right? And then you have what? 3, 4, right? Now you have 1, 1, 3 again. So this one is overlapping, and then you just have to remove the minimum one. So this one just, just get removed, right? So you'll return 1. So how do you actually need to do it? Like if you are reading this, right? Basically you need to sort based on the second index, right? And then once you sort it from the smallest to greatest, so it's going to be a 1, 2, right? And then it's going to be like 2, 3, and then it's going to be like 1, 3, comma, and 3, 4, right? And then when you sort it, right, then this is sort based on the first index, then you will be able to know, like, we can just check the ending with the starting. If the ending is greater, if this is less than equal to the starting for the next, right? You have to say less than equal, right? Because you can connect, right? And then now you can say, okay, my n will become my n for the next one, right? So 1, 2, 2, 3, right? You will combine to 1, 3, right? I mean, basically this is the idea. Now you have 3, right? Now you have 3 and 1, right? 3 and 1 doesn't actually work, right? So so you don't have to you don't need this one. So you will remove. So you increment your counter, and then basically you try this again, and then this is going to be exactly the same thing, right? So when we want to just keep track of the ending, so we need the ending variable and also the counter, right? So this is pretty much the solution. So I'm going to just start sort it. So array.sort intervals. And I'm going to say AB. And then I'm going to say A1 minus B1 for smallest to greatest. And then now I'm going to say, okay, I need an ending. And I set to minimum value. And I need a counter, say equal to 0. And then return counter. So I need to traverse interval, right? So if the n is less than equal to interval starting, right? So I set to the minimum value, so you will definitely starting the first ending. So I would say n equal interval n, and then if they are overlapping, which is n is greater than the interval starting, then I'm going to increment my counter, and this is the solution, and submit. Alright, so let's talk about time and space. This is what sorting unlog n. This is all of n. So the worst case is going to be unlog n. So n represent the interval length, and this is a space constant. So this is pretty much the solution, and I will talk to you later. Bye.